Hello, and welcome to Zippo Lion's Den. Today, I have a nice rose gold one to show you. Number 49702 geometric diamond pattern. It is one of two Armor rose gold Zippos that Zippo now makes. And this one is really nice. You can see geometric diamond pattern. I just want to point out that I got it from Riley 66. So if you ever get a chance, check out Riley66.com. He has really good lighter selections at really good prices, and he's an awesome guy to deal with. And here's this lighter. Rose Gold Armor 360 multi-cut engraving. Rose Gold. I think it's a beautiful lighter. I'm not too crazy about these little glass jewels that they put on them nowadays. I definitely would not use this as an everyday carry. But it is a gorgeous rose gold lighter. Hinge is actually pretty good on here. Has the reverse bottom stamp like most armors do. G21, which is July 2021. If I remember, I believe the insert is August 2021. Yes, H21, which would be August of 2021. It's actually really nice. I wish they'd come out with an actual plain rose gold armor, but it is what it is. At least they came out with some. This is one of two rose gold armors that Zippo now makes. And like I said, it's a beautiful lighter. And if you get a chance, check out Riley66.com. They have awesome selections of many different styles of Zippos. Prices are really good, and he's a great guy to deal with. So, until the next video, hope you all have a great day, and thank you for tuning in. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Anything you can do will help. Thank you.